These are thoughts from this week's discussion boards, and I thought I'd share them with you. There were some really nice ones. Kathleen Anderson, for example, talked about how it wasn't that Philip Garrido was experimenting with marijuana or LSD that was a problem, but the degree that he was. The same with his sexual impulses. And Jeff Arnold talked about, that it wasn't just that a person acted differently, that would identify whether someone was having problems. That person could just be an introvert surrounded by extroverts. James Emery talked about empathizing with Britney Spears, who, commented that her life was controlled by too many people, which didn't really let her be herself. So that perhaps some of the strange things that Britney was doing were really just an opportunity to finally make a choice of her own and feel a sense of freedom and independence. Crystal Geibel talked about, how to understand someone wearing a pink bunny costume. And is this person in a group or alone, required to wear the costume, or doing it, somehow for social media? Is this some sort of social experiment? Is this for Comic-Con? That there are lots of different things that you need to be thinking about here. Yahara, and I don't know if I said your name right, Rodriguez said, if the range is from 25 to 75, is 76 really that abnormal? That perhaps that's just a little, because that's just a little bit outside normal range, we really wouldn't want to be over-interpreting that. Danielle Hovis talked about that we have to determine the consequences of behavior on a person's life and their ability to cope with life's events. So if a person went through an event and was unable to get over the fear of the event reoccurring, that it would continue to grow and disrupt their normal way of life. So we must be able to determine what's not normal for a person based on these criteria in order to be able to determine the cause for the abnormal behavior and determine the proper course of treatment. Look forward to your next discussion boards. Bye-bye.